What's up, everybody? This is your boy, the Shifter. So, I keep hearing about how good these microphones are and how good at noise canceling they are. So, I decided to go ahead and get a set. This is the DJI Mini mics. So, let's go ahead and open this package up. It's a pretty good box. It did come sealed. I did remove the seal. So, in the box, what we have here. Let's go ahead and look in here. I like this little waterproof bag looking thing. Oh, you got some stickers. I always like stickers. I don't know about you guys, but I like stickers. Some foreign language, who knows? And then instructions, some other stuff. Let's see. All right, so let's go ahead and get to the nitty gritty. I'm not going to try to make this a long video. I know it's probably a lot longer videos, a better description, but I'm just going to cut to the chase. It is a nice bag. I do like the bag. I'm very impressed with the bag. Good job, guys. Look, even the... So inside the bag, what do we have? We have the charger cables. Oh, let's go ahead and open these up. Man, these bags actually are pretty sealed. So we have auxiliary cable, and then what looks like the charger cables. These are Type C. So let's go ahead and move that over there. This is going to be like the sloppiest review of anything you've ever seen, because I'm just, you know, if you watch my videos, you know. The cat ones. It looks like they clip right on too, which is kind of cool. So it's not going to be a pain to try to put those on there. Which I don't know if you guys ever use those, but yeah, they can be definitely a pain. So this is the transmitter. So this will go on top, like if you have a GoPro. There's the media mod. You have the GoPro media mod. Supposedly this right here will slide in and connect to the media mod, and it does. And it connects tight too. But I did hear it is kind of a pain to get your power button, but you still can. So heads up on, oh wait, you could just do that. Okay, that makes it a lot easier. So it does have -9, -12, or negative, sorry, I have it upside down. -6, -12. Supposedly that's the best way to get rid of the noise. Then +6, +12. It is pretty small. Up to 2, I guess. And your pairing button, then your power button. This is all brand new for me, so you're seeing it the first time that I'm seeing it. So what else we got in here? This is the actual microphone. Oh, this is the base. This is the charging base for the mic. So I think I paid 189 bucks for these on Amazon, I believe I bought it from. I got it on sale. There we go. There's the actual mic. And that thing is tiny. And I did hear that, wow. Yeah, that's pretty strong magnet. Yeah, that magnet's no joke. So this is the mini mic, and I'm gonna try to put mine up inside my helmet for a moto vlog. Apparently that's magnetic. That's metal right there. Let's see. And then this is, I guess, and this is for when you do use your cell phone, I believe. Let's throw that around. Yep. Type C. Cell phone connector. What else is in here? Is that it? Well, all those things were in pockets too, which is kind of cool. So from what I hear, you just hook this on here, you'll turn it on, you'll use the pair button, and it does. Now we can confirm it definitely fits on the media mod case. So we'll go ahead and, it's kind of hard to shut this without the actual camera inside it. Slide it back on. It does kind of cover the power button, but the fact that you can do that, I don't think that's actually going to bother me at all. I don't know if it'll bother you guys, but it won't bother me. And it is on there. It definitely connects on there nice and tight. So this is what it comes with. This is the mini. I will let you guys know how it does by using it in my next video. All right, thank you. Y'all like and subscribe, please.